Today, we are going to do the 8th chapter of Mass Communication of Class 12, that is, Language Press in India. Now, language press in India means the language in which the paper or the press is being published. Now, newspapers can be classified into two groups. First, the English newspapers, and second, the language newspapers. Now, as the name suggests, English newspapers are of course printed in English language only, while the language newspapers are published in different languages. For example, if you take India, there are many languages spoken in India. So, the language newspapers are the newspapers which are published in the different languages spoken in our country. And the English newspapers are published in big cities only, while the language newspapers are read in even the most interior villages of our country. Now, the difference between English newspapers and language newspapers are: number one, English papers are published only in one language, that is English, while the language newspapers are published in different languages. The second difference is English papers, as I told you earlier, are generally published and distributed in big cities and major towns, while language newspapers are circulated all over the country, including the most interior villages of the country. Third difference is English newspapers generally are taken by the well-educated people, the middle class or upper middle class, or those who have higher income groups, while language papers are taken by the lower middle class and even people poorer than that. They generally take language papers. Then fourth difference is English newspapers are not, in your book it's written, they have less penetration in the rural public, while the language dailies have more penetration in the rural areas. That is, English newspapers are not read much in the rural areas, that is the village areas, while language papers are more read in the rural areas. Fifth difference is the English papers follow the British tradition, while the language papers have their own style. Then next is more money is generated from advertisements in English papers. You must have seen while reading newspapers that there are many advertisements also there. So that is how money is generated. So more money is generated from the English papers, while lesser amount of money is generated from language papers, because not many people advertise in the language papers. And last difference is the English papers are more colorful and stylish, while the language papers are quite simple papers. Next is growth of language newspapers in India. Earlier, when India became independent, there were about 330 daily newspapers, like about 3,533 publications were there, including newspapers and periodicals and all that. But now, when there was a research in 2006, there were around 45,600 publications. There was a large boom in the newspaper or publication department. From 3,000 to 45,000, a rise was there. So from 330 newspapers, it rose to 5,600 newspapers. So China is the largest newspaper market, and after China is India. India is the second largest newspaper market in the world. Now, when we talk about the growth of newspapers, it is calculated in two ways. First is by circulation and the other is by readership. Circulation means, in one house, one newspaper is taken by one house, in one house. But one house may consist of a family of 4 members. So that means that one paper is read by 4 people. So one house taking one paper is called circulation. So if there is a circulation of 1 lakh, then it might be taken as the readership is of 4 lakhs. So when there was a close study of newspaper readership in India, they found that more readers were there of language newspapers. Why? Because English newspaper was only confined to cities, big cities and major towns, while the language newspapers are circulated in the most interior areas also. So the language newspapers are circulated more, so therefore they have more readership. Next, Now, why did the newspaper market increase or rise so fast? Right? So, why was there a boom in the newspaper market in India? There are a few reasons given in your book. The first one is rise in the literacy rate. Now, since more and more people are becoming literate, they are learning to read more and more newspapers. Second, expansion of the middle class. Now, since more and more people are entering into middle class from poor families, they are improving or making a progress economically, and they are also progressing educationally. So, they are buying more and more newspapers, as in middle class families, subscribing to a newspaper is considered as a status symbol. Then, third reason is an untapped market. In India, around 350 million people can read and write, but not all of them buy newspapers. So, more and more newspapers are trying to tap this market. They are trying to attract these people, these million of people who are not buying any newspapers. Then the fourth reason is education of women. Now, since more and more women are getting educated, now it is a very famous saying that if you educate a woman, you are educating the next generation. Now, since more and more women in India are getting educated, so their children are also getting educated, thus increasing to the education in India. So, obviously, leading to a rise in the readership of newspapers. The fifth reason is technological advancements. Earlier, the publication of newspapers was a little costly, but now since the technology has improved, it's easier for the newspapers to publish more and more newer editions. So, there is an expansion of newspapers also, and newspapers are subscribed or reached out into small cities and towns also. Then the next reason is better purchasing power. Now, since people are economically improving, so they are also their purchasing power is also improving. So more and more people are buying the newspaper. Then there is aggressive marketing to tap the people who are not buying newspapers. All the newspapers are trying to make their newspapers more and more attractive by lowering their prices, giving concessions, making it more attractive, so that more and more people are attracted to buy it. So more and more people can afford once their prices are down. Then there is the political awareness. Now people are getting more and more politically involved. They are more interested in the political developments. So they are interested in reading the newspapers as they get the news of all the political advancements from the newspapers.